Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Stripe with WooCommerce in 2023. Stripe is a widely used payments gateway that allows you to securely process credit card payments on your online store. So in this guide, we'll walk you through the process of integrating Stripe with your WooCommerce store, enabling you to offer a seamless checkout experience for your customers. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we will have to sign up for a Stripe account. If you don't have a Stripe account, you'll have to go to your Stripe website to sign up for a new account. To do so, go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you do so, make sure to go to this URL section, simply type stripe.com and hit the enter button. From here, make sure, if it's your first time, of course, to scroll down, read more information about Stripe, and familiarize yourself with the websites, and be sure that you want to open an account on this platform. Of course, you can scroll down. As you can see, you'll be able to see like more information about us. Even you can look online for the reviews of people on the Stripe payments gateway. And now, if you have an account, of course, you can simply go and log in into it. But if you don't, you can simply go and click on Start Now to create a new account for yourself. As you can see, so they will just log me into my account directly because I already created an account and I'm already even logged in into my account, because if you saw before, we had at the top right corner like dashboard option instead of sign in option. From here, as you can see, make sure to activate any payments if you don't have it activated. Of course, the active payments process will be very simple, as you can see. So what you will have to do is simply verifying your business, add in to your bank, securing your account, add in extras, and review everything and finish. And you'll be able to active your payments on or get like the payment on your Stripe account from WooCommerce, as we are going to integrate it in this video. So you can even enable this test mode as an example to make some test interactions or transactions if you're just added to your WooCommerce to check if the Stripe is working correctly. So now what we'll have to do is simply go and open now to WooCommerce. You can go and open whatever new tab and simply go to woocommerce.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, make sure to go and log in into your account again if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, you can simply go and create a new account for yourself. So from here, for me here, I'm just going to click on login. And of course, for you again, if you don't have an account, if it's your first time, make sure to scroll down, read more information about it. So yeah, continue with this account because I'm already like logged in into it before. And of course, from here, or what you will need to do as an example, if you don't want to even use WooCommerce, or if you're using like WordPress, you want to use WordPress and WooCommerce, or WooCommerce and WordPress, you can simply go and install and activate the WooCommerce plugin. So we can log in into WordPress dashboard, navigate to plugins, add the new, and search for WooCommerce plugin and install it, then activate it. You can then, of course, you'll be able to configure your WooCommerce settings. After activating the WooCommerce, you'll be prompted to run the setup wizard and follow the prompt to configure your store basic settings, including the currency, payments and methods, and shipping options. And from there, of course, you'll be able to add the payments Stripe if you are using like the WordPress. As an example here for me, so here, as you can see, if we go to WooCommerce, we have even like trending products. We have even this Stripe already here in the home screen. So as you can see, accepts all major debits and credit cards, as well as local payments methods with Stripe. If you click on it, as you can see, we'll be able to simply go and free download it to add it to your store. So click on it to download, of course. In the meanwhile, you can, of course, even scroll down to read more information about it, not here, and the Stripe screen, as you can see. So you'll be able to see all the features included. If you scroll down, you'll be able to read everything. So as you can see, this is going to be the payments, how it's going to show. So people were going to, when they are going to enter their billing details, they will find, as you can see, this credit card Stripe and enter their credit card, and they will be able to place the order, as you can see. So like this, you can see here every screenshot, like, so they show you everything. If you scroll down, we can read and familiarize yourself with the Stripe. So again, let's just go and click on free download. And as we saw before, it's $0 because it's free. So proceed to checkout. And simply here, what you will have to do is simply enter those informations, especially with the things on with the star, which means necessary or mandatory. So you'll have to do it. So you'll have to fill your first name, last name, company, country and region, street address, town, city. Of course, the second one, not necessary, state, zip code, and how do you use our products. And simply, of course, the payment. You can choose whatever you want. They will not ask you even to pay because if you click on pay, this will proceed automatically because it's $0. Once you do so, of course, make sure to go and connect to your Stripe account or log into your Stripe account. Of course, you'll be like redirected to the Stripe website. You'll have to log in into the same credentials you used when signing up for a Stripe account. Then, of course, Stripe will request permission to connect with WooCommerce. Click on the authorize access option, of course, to this account button to grant access. Then you will be able to, after authorizing it, you'll be taken back to the WooCommerce settings. And from there, you'll be able to configure like various Stripe settings, such as which credit card to accept and whether to enable like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or something like that. So it's going to be basically something like that, as you can see. So those are going to be the settings. And from here, you'll be able to edit whatever you want on it. So if you scroll down a bit, as you can see, you'll be able even to enable the Apple Pay, the Google Pay, and a lot of other options that you can go and discover by your own. After that, as I said before going live with your WooCommerce, it's essential to go and test the integration of WooCommerce. Provide a test methods that or mode that allows you to simulate like the transaction without actual payment. Test thoroughly to ensure everything works correctly. And once you're confident in the testing, of course, make sure to go and publish your store or switch to live mode on your store or even in your Stripe. And this will enable real transaction using Stripe as the payments gateway on your WooCommerce store. So if you reach this point of this video, that's going to be it. Congratulations, you've successfully connected your Stripe with your WooCommerce store in 2023. Now, your customers can make secure and convenient payments using credit cards. This integration enhances the checkout process and builds trust among your customers. So keep in mind that regular maintenance and updates are crucial for a smooth payments experience. And if you found this video helpful or this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more e-commerce guides. So if you have any issues, of course, you can always go to the comment section and leave your thoughts in there, or even go and contact like the Stripe or even WooCommerce support if you have any problems with this. So thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.